Right, so I just got this in the mail, and I'm going to show you guys how to put it together. First of all, we got to get it out of its box. You follow me? It's coming, it's coming. It's going to drop any second now. There it goes. Oh! All right, so it comes in like this. Get rid of the box. All right, what do we got? Let's unzip this bad boy. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. All right, it does come with a manual up here, and it comes with this, which you can charge it. It's a USB-C, USB-A to USB-C. You may need that. I've got a bunch of them. So anyway, let me put that back in there. All right, so let's take a look at this bad boy. I'm going to set it down here for a second. First of all, let me pull up the main unit. This is it. So I want to tell you right off the bat, this not only is like a small portable vacuum cleaner, but it also is, I guess you could say an air compressor, because what it does is you can use it, to blow up balloons or mattresses and stuff like that. So it's got two ends on it, right? One end, well, look at this. I gotta pull that. I didn't pull that off of there. So I just did. All right, so that's off there. So one end, if you hook up the vacuum cleaner, which is this thing right here, you'll see there's a little filter in there. So this, I gotta remember which side it goes on. I think it goes on that. Well, I gotta figure it out. But the way you do that is you just turn it on, and the side that's blowing the air out is the opposite side of what you need to put this on. Okay, so hang on. I gotta hold it. So the air's coming out of here, so I gotta put it on this side. Let me turn it off for a second. So this, which is the vacuum end of it, because look, it's got this little thing, is gonna go on here. So you've got to kind of slide it on and then twist it, right? And that locks it in. And then you've got this little port here. Now, you could just suck stuff up with that, right? By pressing the button. And it just, you can hear it sucking, right? Now, if I want to go up, watch. Go down, it doesn't hold on, right? Turn it off, press right there. So that's how that works. Now, you do have this little thing here, which if you pull this out, you got your little brushes on it, and you would just shove it on there like that, right? Whoops. And now it's got a little light too right here, which I don't know how I turn that on, but oh, that's telling me that it's charged, I think. Man, that's bright. Look at that. So yeah, anyway, then you go like this, and you start cleaning. You're sucking up dirt. Doing it on my thing. Oh, it works good. So if I want to turn it up and really suck, I can do that. And then I can pull this back, right? And just do that. Yeah, that works good. Turn it off for a second. Now I'm looking at the light. There's not really a button to turn that light on. It just came on. There's not really a button to turn this light on. It just came on. But right here, if you look, there's a charging port. So if I want to charge it, I can go ahead and charge it up that way. Now let me show you how it works if you want to blow something up. So what you do is you take this off. You don't really have to take it off, but I just take it off. And then they come with these. All right, let me set it down for a second. So if you've got something with a big hole that you want to blow up, you'd use that one. If you got one with a little bit smaller hole, you might use that. Now this you could use for kite surfing, kites that you need to blow up, or mattresses, or paddle boards. Here's an even smaller, and this one you probably use on balloons. And when you're putting it away, you put them all like, kind of like this. That's how you kind of put them away. But let's go ahead and we'll take the small one, right? And we'll put it on there. Now, if you remember, where did we put our vacuum side? Was it on this side or was it on this side? I think it was on this side, but let's just double check. I'll press. It's blowing out this side. So this is where, well, let me do it again, watch. You can use it as a fan too. But if you want to use it, oh wow, I got to turn it off to put it on. So this right here, if you want to blow up some balloons, you can put this on here like that. Twist it. It's got you twist it with these things. You see, like to get it on there, and then you can stick your balloon on there and blow it up. I got to find a balloon. Let's hang on. Let me get a balloon. All right, I couldn't find a balloon, but I found this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close it up like this. I'm going to blow it up just so you guys can see. You ready? Here we go. Turn it off. So that works, right? I blew that out. If you had balloons, it would probably work better. But oh, all right. So this thing works really good, right? And I think I could use it to blow my kites up because I kite surf. So yeah. Now to charge it, you need a USB-C, right? So I have a couple of those, and what I would do is I would just take my USB-C, I would just shove it right in there. Just like that. Right, so while we're letting it charge, if we want to see where it's at, you can just look on it right here. So right now we're at 46%. When that gets to 100, we'll know it's fully charged. So yeah, we'll just let it sit there until it does that. How's that grab you? All right, so one other thing. Once you've once you've done your thing here, I got it plugged in. And let's say I'm charging it right at the same time. So I'm going to take this off, right? I've cleaned up my mess. What I've got to do is I got to reach inside and pop this out, right? Because that's the filter. Then I take this and I just dump it in the garbage, right? Like that. And then, you can clean it out a little bit if you want, but this one's pretty clean. And then I've got to put this back in there. So I just kind of like slide it in. I just kind of like slide it in like that. And smush it in, and bam, that's how you do it. And then you can clean this filter too if you want. Pops out, and you can get all the dirt off it. It does have like some paper stuff inside, so I don't know how long these will last. We'll find out. But again, just to get it back in there, you just smush it in and squeeze it. You got to get it. Oh shit, didn't get it in there right. You got to get it kind of even, right? And then you kind of push it like that. And then, bam, that's ready to go. And here's your other piece right there. Cha-ching! All right, so we'll just let this charge, right? And then we'll put it all back together in its little box. Now, when you put it away, you got to go like this. You know what I mean? You got to put all these like that, all right? So then you set those in there, set that in there, and set this in here, maybe somehow. Or maybe you could do this, like, no, you can't do it like that. But let's put this, first of all, let's start with this, all right? I'm gonna put this in here like that, okay? Now these, what the hell? How did I have this thing? Oh, we gotta push this back, that's why. Now it's another puzzle we gotta figure out. So I think that this would be like this. Don't you? Like if we put it like that and then put this here, don't you think that would work? Okay, that did work. So let's zip it up until we use this again. It looks like it's going to be cool. I can't wait to try it out. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff with this. Peace out.